Another quick review from Ultimate DIY. This is one of my favorite tools. It's an LED light. I've had this about 3 years. This light I use in everything from the attic to working on drywall, electrical, you name it, I use it every day. So first of all, to move it from point A to point B, it has a simple little handle right here. You're going to grab it, carry it where you need to go, and on the same handle it has a little button. You push the button and it opens up and it stabilizes the actual unit. The next thing about this is it's going to have these little levers right here. Open the levers and it will telescopically raise. There's my first one. Lock it into place. Go up and I lock it into place. Now I can tilt my light wherever I want, and this is the button that you're going to use to turn on the light. This will be bright on the first one. Click it again. It's a little bit less bright, and then that is your low setting. Super simple, super easy to use. Open them back up, push it down, and I can move the light from point A to point B again. Now, how it's powered is a battery. I'm using the 20 volt, 60 volt flex in here because it lasts a little longer, but it just simply slides in. The only drawback on the battery system is there is no plug to plug it into the wall, but there is an aftermarket adapter that you can buy. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it a 4. And the only reason I'm giving it a 4 is because I would have to buy that adapter so that I could plug it into the wall and have regular outlet power. But other than that, I love the light. It's great. It's easy to move around. Do yourself a favor and pick yourself up one of these Dewalt lights.